Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of nutrition and wellness. Ever wondered if plant proteins could be the game changer in our diets? Well, you're not alone. Many people are curious about the potential of plant-based proteins and how they can transform our eating habits. Let's dive into why plant proteins are set to revolutionize our food future. From cutting-edge food technology to the variety of plant-based options available, the possibilities are endless. First up, let's talk about the sources of these fantastic proteins. The diversity of plant protein sources is truly remarkable. Imagine peas, soybeans, and lentils all turning into nutritious powerhouses. These humble plants are packed with protein and other essential nutrients. Picture this: peas are harvested, transformed into protein powders, and boom, you've got a smoothie packed with nutrients. Soy? It's another versatile source of plant protein. It starts in lush fields, gets processed into tofu or tempeh, and lands on your plate as a delicious meal. Lentils? They're another fantastic option. They're simmering in your favorite curry, giving you that hearty, protein-rich goodness. Lentils are not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. And let's not forget chia seeds and quinoa, tiny but mighty. These small seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Now, why should you care about plant proteins? Let's break it down. Health-wise, they're incredible. They offer numerous benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Lower cholesterol, high in fiber, these proteins are like superheroes for your body. They help maintain a healthy heart and digestive system. Animated graphs make it clear plant proteins boost your health game. What about the environment? This is another crucial aspect to consider. Here's the kicker: plant proteins have a smaller carbon footprint and use less water compared to meat. This makes them a more sustainable choice for our planet. Imagine choosing a protein source that's kind to our planet. It's a win-win. You get to enjoy nutritious food while also contributing to environmental sustainability. And it's not just about health and the environment, it's about accessibility too. Plant-based proteins are becoming more widely available and affordable. Walk into any store and find affordable plant-based protein products. The variety and availability of these products are increasing every day. It's easier than ever to make the switch. With so many delicious and easy-to-make recipes, incorporating plant proteins into your diet is a breeze. Speaking of innovation, the plant protein market is booming. New products and innovations are constantly being developed to meet the growing demand. Ever tried a Beyond Meat burger or almond milk? How about soy yogurt? These are just a few examples of the innovative plant-based products available today. These innovative products are making plant-based eating exciting and delicious. So, what's the takeaway? The future of food is plant-based, and it's here to stay. Plant proteins are a revolution on our plates. They offer a sustainable, healthy, and accessible alternative to traditional protein sources. They're healthy, eco-friendly, and accessible. The benefits of plant proteins extend beyond just nutrition. They also contribute to a more sustainable and equitable food system. Ready to make the switch? Embracing plant proteins can be a fun and rewarding journey. Your next meal could be a vibrant, plant protein-packed delight. Experiment with different recipes and discover the joy of plant-based eating. Don't forget to subscribe for more innovative food tips. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more exciting content on how to live a healthier and more sustainable life. Until next time, stay healthy and eat smart. Remember, every small change you make can have a big impact on your health and the planet.